Hello and welcome back. In this module, you'll learn about the types of killer bonuses available for you to maximize your affiliate commissions. Let's get started. You should know the most essential thing about offering a bonus is that it's all about value. You're not aiming just to provide a bonus to simply allow people to get what they want. Your goal is to provide more value to your audience and give them a greater experience with you. You want to create and build bonuses that are congruent to the main product you're promoting, something that will help your subscribers make more money with the main product or make it easier for them to use it faster. The most important thing about creating great bonuses is making them useful. Not just random stuff, but practical things that people actually find worthwhile to use. By offering a lot of useful bonuses, your offer is going to look more appealing to your customers. Here's a list of some killer bonuses that you may use. 1. Ebooks or special reports. You're an expert on subject topics within your niche. All you need is the confidence to put your knowledge onto digital paper. If you've written a book report at school, you can create a report or ebook that only you can deliver. It'll be completely unique because it's your original content. You can always have this outsourced as well if you choose to speed up the process. It can also be interviews, testimonies, and many of the likes that pertain to the product. You can also add a special report to it to add some value to your original product. Special report functions as a teaser for the reader, and you don't have to show the entire picture or words in the special report. This makes the readers more interested and curious. As a result, they end up buying the product. 2. Videos. This is for affiliates that want to provide a more visual experience for their buyers. For example, a tutorial video teaching your buyers how to use your front-end product can be really a favorable bonus. People nowadays are more exposed and find visual experiences more convenient than the printed or written word. In addition, videos are suited and very effective value for your product since it helps the user to understand the product better, and this is what they're usually looking for. By creating short videos and presentations, you can use these as bonuses. This will not only create content for you, but it'll also build your brand that is equally important. 3. Audio. This is another option for you. These days, people are so busy and they're constantly on the go. This is your chance to target such prospects. Audio recordings of videos and seminars are valuable because they can easily be added to your subscribers' smartphones or any device they use to listen to music or audio. 4. Downloadable software. This right here is a nice bonus too, especially for products that require a particular software or tool to work better. So if you want to make your bonus crazy attractive, consider using software or tools to offer great advantages as a bonus offer. Taking price into consideration, software or tools are usually expensive because they add extreme value to your offer. So when you're offering this kind of bonus, the buyers would definitely jump at the chance to make the purchase immediately. 5. PowerPoint presentation templates. Just like tools and software, this bonus works well for creative-based products. Templates can exist in many forms, like a poster template, PowerPoint slides templates, etc. For poster and design templates, you can include it as a bonus to a product that's related to editing or designing. If the product's a tutorial or perhaps a designing tool, giving your buyers a set of templates is a great reward. Another bonus idea that you could use is a set of ready-made templates that are related to a presentation or video recording. Let's say you're selling an ebook that's a guide on how to make a powerful presentation. Providing them with presentation templates would be a great big plus. Having this as a bonus offer will not only help the users, but it'll also give them a big push to create more content. Another thing to take note of is that some users aren't well versed in designing presentation slides. To them, the provision of templates for presentation slides is very useful and beneficial. When you're selling something like this, you want to make it as easy as you can for the users. This will make the bonus you're offering all that more enticing. 6. Group coaching call. This is a bonus that you do not have to deliver up front and can be completed after the promotion is over. These coaching calls can be delivered as a teleconference or webinar. You can be live on camera or use a presentation to deliver to your subscribers. Creating a presentation related to the product you're promoting will help them to use the product even better and be more successful. You can also invite the product creator onto the call. This is to show your audience that you care about them and that you're going to deliver secrets about the product that they cannot get from anyone else. 7. Private label rights, or PLR. Now, this is a great tool that you can use to create bonuses, but you need to do that right away. When using PLR content to create your bonuses, you will need to completely change the content to be unique to you. PLR content is purchased by hundreds or even thousands of people. The last thing you would want to happen is to have the same content with another affiliate because both of you have the same PLR package. You want to make sure your bonus is unique, right? Well, to achieve this, it is simple. Change the content to be your own. Changing the graphics is the first step in making your private label rights content unique. Outsource that job. Head to Fiverr.com or even Upwork.com for a wide range of freelancers. Next, you would want to review content and make sure it's what you've set it to be. Don't forget to make any updates or change that you think are necessary. Now, don't forget to make any updates or changes that you think are necessary to reflect what you're trying to deliver to your audience. You can also repurpose your own content. Using what you already have is the quickest and easiest way to make unique bonuses your subscribers will love.